Hi friends, Francisco Conceição came off the bench to grab a stoppage time winner as Portugal kick-started their Euro 2024 campaign with an edgy 2-1 Group F win over dogged Czechia on Tuesday. Portugal's win came on a day when the nation hit two Euro milestones right from kick-off. Cristiano Ronaldo became the first to play in 6 European Championships. However, it was the 21-year-old Conceição who was the hero of the day, pouncing on a mistake from Robin Hranek to fire home from close range in the third minute of added time, moments after Portugal were left crestfallen when a Diogo Jota effort was chalked off by VAR for offside. The Czechs had stunned the Portuguese fans packed inside the Leipzig stadium when they took the lead out of the blue in the 62nd minute as Lucas Perraud's superb curling effort threatened to cause an almighty upset. Yet the unfortunate Hranek scored an own goal 7 minutes later to set up a frantic finish that saw Portugal claim the 3 points. Portugal predictably dominated the ball as they set up camp in Czech territory early on, but they came up against some dogged resistance as Ivan Hasek's disciplined side kept them largely at arm's length. For all their possession, Portugal's chances were limited. Rafael Leo was their most creative outlet with his jinking runs down the left flank, although one theatrical dive earned him a first-half booking. Ronaldo was predictably at the center of most of Portugal's attacks, passing up their best chance of the first half when he was played through on goal by Bruno Fernandes only to be thwarted by keeper Jindřich Stanek, who spread himself brilliantly to stop the striker's effort. Ronaldo had another shot beaten away by Stanek just before the break and a header deflected over shortly after the restart, but it wasn't long before Portugal were hit with a hammer blow. Out of absolutely nowhere, the Czechs worked the ball down the pitch and Vladimir Koufal fed Perraud, who curled a stunning finish beyond the reach of keeper Diogo Costa into the net. The advantage, however, was short-lived as Portugal drew level with more than little good fortune. A cross to the back post was headed towards goal by Nuno Mendes, but Stanek's save ricocheted off the knee of defender Hranek into his own net. Portugal thought they had snatched victory when Ronaldo headed against the post and Jota was on hand to convert the rebound, but VAR swiftly ruled Ronaldo was a fraction offside. It did not matter, however, as Hranek made a mess of his attempted clearance and Conceição nipped in to fire home.